What's the meaning of chewy? Chewy. Chewy.
Chewy. Chewy. Chewy refers to a texture that is tough and takes effort to bite and chew. When something is described as chewy, it usually means that it has a lot of resilience and elasticity, making it more difficult to break down with the teeth. Common examples of chewy foods include gummy candies, taffy, and certain types of meat. The sensation of chewing something that is chewy can be enjoyable for some people, while others may find it unpleasant or uncomfortable. Overall, chewiness is a characteristic texture that can be found in various types of foods.